So you just bought a brand new dryer, you hooked it up, plugged it in, and then you're getting an error code D80, D90, D95, or you've been using your dryer for a while and you got this code. What does it mean and how do you fix it? Well, what this means is that the dryer vent has a restriction. So D80 would mean that your dryer vent is 80% clogged. D95 would mean your dryer vent is 95% clogged. That's what this error code means. But how could the dryer be clogged if it's a brand new dryer? Well, you probably had an old dryer and you never got the dryer vent cleaned, or you cleaned it and it wasn't cleaned out correctly and the dryer vent was clogged. You thought your dryer was broken, so you bought a brand new expensive dryer, hooked it up expecting it to work, but it still doesn't work because you have a new dryer, but your dryer vent is still the old dryer vent. So this is something you could do yourself, or it's something you could hire a professional. So there are a couple of areas that you're going to check. First of all, you don't have to check the dryer. If it's a new dryer, then that's not the problem. Check the vent behind the dryer. Maybe when they installed it, they crumpled the transition vent and it got smushed and it's cutting off the airflow. That's a very common cause, especially if you know your dryer vent was cleaned before you got the new dryer. Next is to check where the vent goes out. So turn your dryer on. It might be a good idea to put it on a cold setting like air fluff if you have it, or a low heat setting, and go out to where your dryer lets out. If it's on the side of your house, it's going to be a lot easier. And see if it's blowing. It should be blowing really strong like a hair dryer, blasting out all of the air. If you go to where it lets out and you're sure that's the correct vent and that's supposed to be the dryer vent, and barely any air is coming out or no air is coming out, then that means that your dryer vent is clogged somewhere in the system. And usually it'll be right there where it lets out. There'll be a huge piece of lint blocking it. Especially if it's on the roof, there'll be someone's never been on the roof since the house has been built. So there'll be a huge piece of lint blocking it, or maybe there was a screen meant to keep pests out, mice and stuff, and you just have to remove the screen, clean it, and put it back if you want to. I would recommend leaving it off. Next is to check if the actual vent is clogged. Dryer vents, the full dryer vent system should be cleaned out at least once a year. So if it's been 10 years or you've never got it done, then there's going to be lint in there, and it's little pieces of clothes that build up and will prevent any air from getting through. So your dryer is overheating, and it's giving you that code to protect the dryer so you don't cause a fire or you don't damage any of the internal components of the dryer. So this code could be very scary. There's nothing wrong with your actual dryer. It's just that the old one didn't have the screen that gave you the code. So clean out your dryer vent and then try it again. If you're still getting the D80, D90, D95 code and you know it's clean, just check back a couple of times. As long as you confirm that there's air blowing out the other side, you should be good. It's kind of like a check engine light, and it will turn off eventually. And if you want to learn how to clean your dryer vent yourself to save some money, check out this video over here.